it's Shay, and I am here for my midweek. My midweek Walmart haul for you guys. I slept on my neck wrong like 3 days ago, and it's fucked up. So I feel like whenever I do something, I gotta go like this, like I can't even put my seatbelt on. Like I have to turn my body all the way just to put my seatbelt on. But I'm waiting for it to eventually subside. I've been taking a leave, but I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't been working. And so yeah, so I'm just like, Joseph be like, babe, I'd be like, huh? It's so funny. But anyway, so listen, this is my midweek for you guys. Now, I only need like 10 offers, and I'm hoping I can knock it out. I barely have enough offers to do. There's one offer that's still double attaching, so I'll probably do that just on the basis that it's double attaching. As far as my IP fairy, because a lot of you guys have been asking, they're both on IG, is fast IPs again, and 808_sweet_couponer. Okay, those are the only two IP fairies that I go to. They're both pretty affordable, and so yeah, for those of you who have been asking. Other than that, we're gonna make this really short and sweet. Oh, I didn't say subscribe, huh? I didn't say that. If you're new here, yes, if you're new here, subscribe. Of course, subscribe. Of course, smash like butts, porch girl. Of course, make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on a video. So without further ado, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. We want to see what your girl got. You know what to do. Keep on watching. So I'm gonna be grabbing some more of this sparkling ice. I see that they're on rollback for 97 cents. I've been using this dollar IP that I got from my IP fairy. I pop up who I got this one from. I think it was Fast IPs again, and so it's gonna basically make these free, but with them being a rollback. I'm hoping I don't have any issues with this coupon scanning. I assume that I will. They'll probably have to approve it, and so I'll let you guys know what happens. Alright, so we're grabbing the Pedialyte. I kind of low-key feel like getting the regular one because I already have like, God, I think I have like 5 of those, but we've been giving them to Josiah, and I had one the other day too. And so it's on the Pedialyte freezer pops. They're priced at They're priced at $4.98. So for this, I'm gonna grab one. Now I do still have that $3 coupon that they sent me. I'll put a link, if I remember, I'll put a link in the description for you. You'll get back, well, you're gonna save $3 at the checkout. You'll pay $1.98. And then you're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta, so it'll make this a $1.02 moneymaker. So I was looking for through the Airwick to see if I could find any on clearance. I found this one. It wasn't marked, but it is for $5. They're normally, well, for the double oil, they're normally $7.33. So I found this one for $5. I'm gonna grab it, getting back 4 on Shopmium and 4 on Swagbucks, making this a $3 moneymaker. I was hoping to find another one, so I could. I was digging, y'all. I was looking, and I found this one for $5 too. So I'm gonna grab this one. Getting back 3 on inbox dollars and 3 on Alexa, making this a $3 moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab both of these, and they'll both be free plus a $6 moneymaker. Awesome. This deal is on the U by Kotex is priced at $3.30. This is working for 2 different offers on Ibotta, both for $1, making that $1.30. All right, and of course, I say of course like it's just like we're just always gonna go for condoms and, you know, and lube and stuff. Listen, this is on the Dorex, priced at $6.36. Grabbing 1, getting back 3 on Ibotta and 3 on Tada, making this only 36 cents. So next up is razors. Like, if you really need razors, well, no, I'm gonna get them anyways. Why? Because it's making me some money. But listen, this is on the Sheck razors on the Extreme, priced at $6.78. You're gonna grab 1 of them. You'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta, 4 on Shopmium, and 4 on Swagbucks, making this a $3.22 moneymaker. So I just realized that The in-store price for these are $6.27. The online price is cheaper. It's $2.97 for this one here and this one here. So if you can price match it, you'll pay $2.97, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Shopkick, $1 on Swagbucks. It'll make it a 3-cent moneymaker, but that's if you can price match it. We'll see. Okay, so next up is the Sheck Hydro Silk. It's priced at $9.97. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, and you're getting back 4 on Shopmium and 4 on Swagbucks. It makes us a $2.02 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Colgate Kids Cavity Protection. It's on the 2-pack, priced at $2.94. You want to grab one of them? Actually, no. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $5.88, getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on Shopmium, and 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, making them both free, plus $1.72 moneymaker. So next up is the Shea Moisture deodorant. It's a newer product. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. I'm gonna grab the moisturizing one, priced at $9.87. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on Shopmium, and 3 on Swagbucks. It'll make it $0.97. Kind of like contemplating whether or not I should do this deal. I see they did have some secret on clearance, so definitely check your stores for that. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do this deal. So it's on the secret. Now for this, you're gonna grab 2. You wanna grab a spray, which is priced at $7.32. And you want to grab one of the sticks. I'm grabbing, I think I grabbed this one. No, I grabbed this one. Priced at $5.97. So the 2 items are going to come to $12.94. You'll get back 5 on Ibotta for buying 2. And then you're going to get back 500 kicks for each one on Shopkick, which is $2. It'll bring these down to $3.94 for both of them, or $1.97 each. I don't know if I want to do this deal, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Look at all that back there. I wonder if there's some on clearance that are back there. I want to check, but I don't want to check. But anyway, so yeah, it makes them less than $2 each, which is, I guess, is not really bad because it's secret, and we almost never get deals on secret. And so, okay, last but not least, some Revlon rebates popped up this morning for $5 for lip and $5 for eye products, and the limit is 5. I couldn't find any on clearance. I'm gonna keep looking. The cheapest ones I could find as far as the lip is a lipstick at $6.48, so getting back the 5 would make that $1.48 each. And then for eye products, I guess the cheapest items are the eyeshadows at $7.27. Should make those $2.27. And so, yeah, definitely check your stores. Obviously, if you can find clearance, even better. If you can't find clearance and you can price match online price for a cheaper price, I know some of the lipsticks are cheaper for $5.50, so that's an option as well, which I'll probably see if they have any of the shades I need. And so yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This worked out really good. I hate that it's so tiny, but it's okay. I could appreciate little hauls like this because they're easy. The big hauls, although they're awesome because they're so big, it's just so much more. It takes more time, obviously. But everything here worked out really, really good. Now, the OTC coupon for the Pedialyte worked perfect. That was perfect. I'll have a link for you in the description. That coupon took like, gosh, I feel like a coupon took forever for them to send it to me though. But it eventually did come, which was good. And it wasn't in my junk mail. I know some of you guys said it was in your junk. It came out of my regular mail. And so, our email rather. Other than that, everything else worked out really good. The Sparkling Eyes coupon, it did have to be approved. Because, I mean, it had to be approved just like it was when it was 108. So it was the same thing. Nothing is really different, right? But everything worked out good as far as that. I ended up getting a total of 6 total. And I think that's basically it. There's nothing else I need to add for this haul. So everything worked out good. My retail for everything was $77.98. I had $9 in coupons between the OTC and the sparkling ice, which brought the out of pocket down to $68.98. And then my sales tax for this was $5.85. I walked away with $30 from Ibotta. Shopmium was $18. That receipt went through so fast, you guys. My points was 1603. That one went straight through. Everything went straight through. Tada was $8. And Shopkick was $5.68. And then Alexa was $5. So a total of $82.71 back in rebates makes everything you see here free, plus a $13.73 moneymaker. After my tax, it's still a $7.88 moneymaker, which is cool. Really quick, a couple questions. When you guys were asking as far as Shopmium and Alexa, Shopmium receipts process way faster than Alexa for me. In fact, my Alexa receipt for the Skintimate and the Airwick is still processing. So I'm waiting for that to clear, and then I'll submit that receipt on probably Tada. Yeah, Tada, and then on Ibotta. So I'm still waiting for that. And then what else? One of you guys asked as far as the scan only apps, you know, like Fetch Reward. I mean, it's based on purchase as well, but you can just scan any receipt. There's Fetch Reward, there's Merryfield, there's Receipt Hog, Coin Out, which those two I don't use anymore. And then there's Frisbee, which is a newer one that I started using. I feel like Frisbee is a lot faster for me though. Like I have redeemed 2 gift cards and I'm really, really close to a 3rd one already. And I've only started using that one, I think, this month. So Frisbee, that's my go-to if you just want to just scan any receipt. And then really, really quick, with Fetch Reward, quite a few of you guys, I wanted to mention this sooner, quite a few of you guys have mentioned that they deducted points from you because they said that you're using the account as a business account or whatever. Because we do scan so many receipts with Fetch, which I don't see why that should be a problem, to be honest. Like, I mean, obviously it's not a business and it's us being us. And so for Fetch Reward, I don't submit all my receipts there anymore. I actually started only submitting receipts that have value to them, just because I don't want to have any issues. And honestly, I haven't had any issues. I haven't gotten that error as far as Fetch Reward deducting points for you having implying that it's a business account when it's really not, which just sucks. And it's at the same time, like, how do you prove that it's not? So I wanted to mention that. Other than that, our emoji, Josiah, come here, bud. Josiah had an accident at school today, and he lost 2 teeth. He didn't even lose the one he had loose. He lost 2 other ones. What's our emoji for today, Bug?
A teeth emoji and a 2.
A number 2?
Yeah. And a teeth. And a tooth.
And a tooth, because you lost how many teeth today at school?
2.
And how did you lose your teeth at school?
By bumping into the swing.
You bumped into the swing?
On accident.
And it just fell out?
It went crooked and then fell out.
Oh, so his 2?
Like 1 second after.
Okay, let's just show you. So smile. So he lost 2 teeth today. So if you got to this point in the video, I appreciate you. We appreciate you, right, Bug?
Yeah.
What else do you want to say? Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit the like button.
And turn on notifications.
He's missing 2 front teeth. Oh my god. He's like, I picked him up here. We picked him up. He was like, I need $10 for both of my teeth. This boy is making so much money off of the tooth fairy. The tooth fairy is about to be bankrupt real quick because he done lost so many teeth. Anyways, I'm rambling, y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you got to the end of the video, a number 2 emoji with the 2 fingers, like the piece, and a tooth emoji if you got to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.